In today's video, we're going to cover how to set up recurring expenses in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in the main dashboard, go to the Purchases section and then open Recurring Expenses. This area is where Zoho Books stores expense profiles that repeat on a schedule, so this is the place to create and manage them. From the Recurring Expenses page, click the button labeled New Recurring Expense. That opens the form where you will define how often the expense should be created and which account details should be attached to it each time it runs. Begin with the basic schedule settings. Enter a profile name that clearly identifies the recurring expense. This name helps you recognize the profile later, especially if you have several repeating expenses in the same account. After that, choose how often the expense should repeat. Then set the start date, which tells Zoho Books when the recurring schedule begins. You can also set an end date if the expense should stop on a specific date, or choose never expires if it should continue without a fixed endpoint. Next, move to the accounting details. Select the expense account that matches the type of expense you are recording. Make sure this is the correct account before continuing, since it affects how the transaction is categorized in your books. Enter the amount for the recurring expense, then choose whether that amount should be treated as tax inclusive or tax exclusive. Continue by selecting the appropriate tax for the expense. After that, choose the paid through account, which is the account the payment will be recorded against. If the expense is connected to a vendor, select the vendor from the available list. If it is not tied to a vendor, leave that field as appropriate for your setup. There are a few optional fields you can complete before saving. Add notes if you want to include any internal details or context for this recurring expense. If you want to associate the expense with a customer, select that customer in the customer field. You can also add reporting tags if your business uses them for tracking by department, location, project, or another reporting category. Before creating the profile, review the recurring expense details on the form. Check the profile name, repeat frequency, dates, expense account, amount, tax setting, paid through account, vendor selection, notes, customer, and reporting tags. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the recurring expense profile in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Your recurring expense profile is now created in Zoho Books.